Wow, 20,000 subscribers. What can I say, guys? When I very first started this channel, no way would I ever thought I could have reached a milestone like this. I can't begin to thank you all enough for all the support you've shown me. It's always great to see the comments and receive messages from people when they let me know that they've been inspired or found a video helpful. It really does make it all worthwhile, and I just love sharing what I get up to with everybody. The way that I can kind of say thank you is with this little giveaway, and the thank you goes out to Evolution Power Tools for making this possible. They reached out to me, congratulated me on reaching 20,000 subscribers and says, "Joe, do you want to give away a saw?" So of course I jumped at the chance. I'm going to be giving away an R210 SMS Plus motor saw, and that's only available for the UK and Ireland residents, unfortunately, due to shipping and everything like that. But I have got something to give away for everybody worldwide, and that's a t-shirt. Now the t-shirt has got kind of my slogan on, "You all right, am ya?" It's a Black Country saying. It basically breaks down to, "Hello, how are you doing?" That kind of thing. I think it's a nice little slogan for a t-shirt anyway. That's actually a Teespring campaign as well, so if you are interested in going and purchasing one, helps me out as well, and of course you're guaranteed to get that then. But I am giving one away. Now to enter for the saw, you need to head over to my website, averagejoesjoinery.com, and you'll see a blog post there, 20,000 subscriber giveaway. Click on that. Leave a comment on that blog post. That's all you need to do to be entered, and I'll pick a winner at random. It would be a big help if you could include in your comment UK and Ireland, so I know that you are eligible to enter, and that just makes it a lot easier in the long run. To enter for the shirt giveaway, of course you can be worldwide. You also need to head over to that same blog post, and at the bottom of the blog post you'll see a raffle copter app. It's a little square, and it'll give you lots of different options of ways to gain entries, such as subscribe to me on YouTube, like my Facebook page, make a post on Twitter, that kind of thing. It's my first time using the Rafflecopter app, so I'm really interested to see how it turns out. That will actually pick the random winner for me, so it takes a lot of the headache out of it for me especially, so that would be great. The Teespring campaign for the shirts I'm running right up until the end of November, so there's plenty of time to actually order a shirt, and of course that helps me out a lot as well with everything I do on this channel, so I can't thank you all enough if you do decide to go up and pick up a shirt. Makes a good Christmas present, I think. While I still have you here, before you all head off and enter, I've got another favour to ask you, and that's if you can go over and vote for me in the UK Blog Awards. Now there's a link down in the description to vote for me, but you'll also find two links, one to go and vote for Claire from Making It Out of the Woods, and one for Vicky from The Carpenter's Daughter. We're all in different categories, and you can vote for all of us, and that would really be a massive help. We'd really appreciate it. My blog's really new. I know I don't stand much chance, but who knows, if you all go and give me a vote, I might be able to get through to like the final round or something, and it'd be brilliant. It all helps get my name out there, and it's just a simple way for you to click through, click vote, and it's done. But yeah, if you've got a minute spare, I'd really appreciate a vote. So that's it then, guys, nice and quick. Thank you again for 20,000 subscribers. Can't begin to thank you all enough, and I hope I can continue to make videos and content that you all enjoy. So I'll see you on the next one.